Red Tea Detox Review. The Red Tea Detox Review shows you how much, what, and whenever for eating to promote maximum loss that is fat the human body now as well as in the long run. In regards to the creator, Miyaki has completed post-baccalaureate studies in kinesiology, and it is an avowed personal trainer, the certified specialist in real fitness nutrition, and certified specialist in sports nutrition. Who is the Red Tea Detox plan for? For everybody who would like the solution that is real permanent weight loss, without hunger, cravings, or giving within the carb-rich foods you adore. If you're ready for a weight loss lifestyle that enables you to enjoy your social life, share delicious meals round a family dinner table, and revel in your preferred foods or a soothing glass of red wine, compared to the Red Tea Detox is unquestionably for your needs. 1. Restaurant and Fast Food Survival Guide. Then you know the stress that comes with it if you have ever gone to a restaurant on a diet. With this particular make suggestions may have no fear, and quickly manage to make choices that maintain your weight loss on the right track. 2. The Happy Hour Handbook. Thinking about going out for many beverages as time goes on? Here is the guide that will help make the most of your night, when it comes to your diet. Become familiar with how exactly to head out, and enjoy ingesting, what things to consume into a stumbling stupor before you head out, and why you can't drink yourself. 3. The Flat Belly Platinum Club. Get 1 month usage of this club, which have recommendations, articles, recipes, videos, and a residential district of like-minded people prepared to share their stories, motivate you, and learn from you. In addition, you may get some good answers straight from Nate inside this club. That is invaluable to your weight loss success. Pros: enjoy carbs in your daily diet. Get faster weight loss results that you are used to while feeling satisfied. No plateaus in this diet you are eating once your body changes, as you can simply change the way. Works with your hormones to create maximum fat loss and health that is optimal. Gain energy, feel well, and relish the means of dieting and losing weight. Go away with your relatives and buddies without the stress. The program is established by a nutrition coach that is well known. All info is accessible instantly after purchase. Learn to actually eat for weight loss now and health for your whole life. Cons: you are going to need to tweak your diet, and possibly earn some changes that are uncomfortable first. There isn't any physical book, only an online one. Click the link below to get discount.